Hello everybody from the Animal Kingdom parking lot. So I don't really have any clear mind or path of what I want to do today. I just wanted to come for some fun this afternoon, but let's not waste any more time. So let's jump right into it. Let's go. Real quick, the parking lot does look relatively busy, like really packed. It seems to always look like this. The app says that the waits are around an hour, but some of the waits are relatively short, so we'll see once we get inside. So it's another wonderful Florida winter day here, kind of breezy, but not too cold. The Christmas decorations are still up at the parks, but the celebration of all the Christmas whatnot has actually ended. Like the regular music loop playing throughout the parks are no longer Christmas music, so, and no more Christmas cavalcades, but only time will tell until they start taking down the decorations throughout the parks. But now, let's go through the turnstiles and start our day here at the Animal Kingdom.
Animal Kingdom.
Hi.
That's it. Have a great day.
Thank you. And we are in. Okay, so I found this secluded area over here in the shade to show you these new park maps. And what's cool about these park maps is that they do feature the wearing of face masks to represent the current state of things in the pandemic, and then on the back it's got some safety information right back here. And okay, another thing too, because we're not all fortunate enough to be able to go to theme parks during the pandemic, I am gonna do my first ever channel giveaway where you can win one of these maps. I will have more information on that giveaway at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Don't just skip to it. Be sure to watch the whole video through, because I really have to think this through, how I'm gonna have you be able to obtain the maps. I'm kind of in a, I don't know, I'm in a mood right now to explore the park, so I'll have more information on that at the end of the video. And also, this giveaway is to give a big thank you to everyone who subscribed to me. I'm over 100 subscribers, which for me, it's taken me over a year to get that. I can't express how excited I am. We're already almost to 150 by the time I'm filming this. So thank you. I'll definitely have a moment later when I film the outro on how to win the maps in the giveaway, where I can express my gratitude even farther. And here comes Rafiki and Timon on the watercade. Hey! Well, okay, all those birds back there are making a lot of noise, but I came back here behind Otter Grotto because I don't think I've ever come back here in this little walkway back here to see some otters, but I don't see any. I believe they're down here actually, in this little cave underwater. Oh, there's some.
These are the same ones in Atlanta.
Oh, the one's cleaning his face.
They're so funny.
Can't see them from up here. I think they're way over there being fed. Oh, there they are. And clever enough, OtterBox sponsors the Otter Exhibit. Haha, hilarious. And they did add this rope barrier for more space to the animals, just for social distancing. So park guests are not the only ones social distancing here through the pandemic. Also the animals, which is very good. And now it's Chip and Dale out there. How fun. And Goofy. They updated these Q videos
once again
to
a wonderful safari.
that person.
And as we say here in Harambe,
I'm not too sure why they did that, but just something to point out.
It will not be safe to stand up or switch seats while we're out here. They weren't even discovered officially until 1901. For a pretty long time, okapi were thought to be a mythical creature. They can be considered a very dangerous animal. And they have some pretty long eye teeth. But if you've been out to Gorilla Falls today, you may have seen the grubby zebra. You can tell them apart right away because they're more territorial. They have a black stomach, thick stripes on their front legs. They can recognize each other from great distances, and they have very close-knit packs, so they hunt together. Their packs are usually led by a male and a female. They also can learn how to walk very quickly. It only takes a baby zebra about 20 minutes to learn how to walk. It tells us that they're very safe and comfortable here. In the wild, giraffe usually just sleeps standing up. The cool thing is giraffe only sleep about 30 minutes a day, so they really don't need to sit down to sleep. They sleep by taking micro naps. Sleep for a few minutes here, a few minutes there. That's all they get throughout the entire day. Is there a white rhino, by the way, on your left? Very large. They're usually 3,000 to 5,000 pounds. Bonsaba on the right, just up on the top of the hill there. Coming around the copies, you're gonna see some lions sleeping right up on the top there. The mane of a male lion by itself can weigh as much as 40 pounds.
This is
They're
the
also
new
pretty small,
goat area
so they don't
exhibit.
require a lot of, and at the same time, they're gonna provide milk. And milk, goat milk especially, is high in nutritional value, can be sold for a decent amount, turned into cheese. Lots of benefits to it.
I love that.
That's a beehive fence in the center of the yard. That's actually what they look like. They put the beehive right in that yellow box. Doesn't take a lot of materials. Place them up around the perimeter of a farm. You got yourself a nice elephant-safe barrier. Yeah, very vocal goats right now.
And so we had a great tour guide actually on the safari, but I came back here real quick to get a look at the gorillas. Let's go over here to get a better view.
My name is Lisa. This here is Tuesday. If you're here for Feathered Friends in Flight, you're in the right place.
Form in his favor. Look at him, he camouflages really well. He has excellent hearing, and of course they have those big, beautiful eyes that help him see. I'm just kidding, you did great. JJ, our great horned owl.
The kitty cat.
Here we go. And there he goes. But more importantly, they stopped using a chemical pesticide called DDT, which is one of the major reasons for their decline.
Yeah, so people like all of us played a part in bringing the bald eagle back from the brink of extinction.
And they rose so high, they were taken off the endangered species list. You know, on behalf of all of us here, especially all of our feathered friends, we'd like to leave you guys with one final wish.
May your hearts take flight and your spirits soar forever.
Oh, jeez. Okay, so now I'm heading into Pandora. You could hear all the sound effects going, but not sure what I'm gonna do. I might just walk around, but let's see, because I'm pretty sure the rides here have long lines. This view still gets me every time. And it looks like this long line is for the Navi River journey way down there. So I don't think I'm gonna do it right now. Okay, so I ended up deciding to hop in line for river journey, and it started at an hour but then went up to 80 minutes, so we'll see. Yeah, the wait snakes all the way around there. So the app says the wait is now 50 minutes, but after all that waiting, I finally made it to the end of the line, so and well, just did Navi River journey now. I love that ride just for how peaceful the whole ride is. And okay, so that's gonna conclude my day here at Animal Kingdom. Now we're gonna cut to me at home for the giveaway announcement. Hey, hello everyone, you may know me, Alex from ParkTwister. And it is time for the channel's very first ever giveaway! Woo! Yes, I'm excited. Now, as I said at the beginning of the video, this was basically just one big, huge thank you for helping me hit 100 subscribers. But since I filmed all that at the park, I have actually surpassed 150 subscribers. I mean, look down at the bottom of the video right now and you'll see it for yourself. It's unbelievable. I can't believe it. So thank you, everyone who thought it was a good idea to subscribe to me. Thank you, because it means that you really care about the content I put out. I work so hard on my videos. I have been for the past year, and it means the world to me. I can't believe it. But now, it is time to see who could win one of these very unique Animal Kingdom park maps. Now, okay, I know that virtually a park map is free. I get that, I know that. But the thing is that this is really a way to show basically my thanks to everyone, and also the fact, in a way I am testing out giveaways, because I do hopefully maybe want to have a bigger giveaway for my 200 subscriber milestone, or maybe my 300 or 400 subscriber milestone, just, you know, get bigger and bigger as I go along. So this is really a way to test it out, because I've never done one of these before, and it's small, so to mail it probably won't cost me that much. I'm hoping not too much. Also, another thing too, that not everyone during the pandemic is fortunate enough to go to the theme parks. If you live out of state especially, there's travel restrictions on foreigners, or have been. I don't know if they've been lifted. Some countries are different than others. Or maybe people are just too scared to travel somewhere because of the pandemic. So this is really just something, you know, something nice that I could do, and we'll see where I go from there on my giveaways. But for now, how could one of these maps become yours? So here's what I'm going to do. Be sure to leave a comment, your favorite theme park memory from your lifetime. It could be from when you were a young child, when you're however old you are now. Just leave a comment down below, your favorite theme park memory, and I will pick a winner from there. But also, do not forget to leave either your Instagram or Twitter handle, because that's really the only way I could think about reaching out to you. There's no other way that I could think of doing this if you don't leave your Twitter or Instagram name down below, because I will then DM you that you won, and then I will go ahead and pick a winner. So that's all for now, everyone. It's late, I'm tired, so I'm gonna go to bed, but be sure to subscribe if you're not already. You could also go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All the links are in the description below. And I will see you next time. My name is Alex, and this has been ParkTwister on YouTube. I'll catch you next time, guys. Good luck in the contest.